Hi guys, welcome back to Wishing Tales. How are you today? How are you this week? Hope you guys had a great weekend and hope you're having a great Monday. We're just going to get right into this. This is a little one here, and quite frankly, I don't remember what it is, but I have my book next to me for when I open it, then I can tell you the specs on it. So let me get on camera. I'm still trying to get used to being at my new table, and it's a little odd for me, so it's a learning experience. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, I remember what this one is. This one is from Homfun. I'm sure you already knew that because I have it on the title. But anyway, it is from Homfun. It is a small one. It is only a 25 by 25. It is a square, full square. I paid $4.80 for it. I ordered it on June 25th and I received it on July 10th. So it's not too bad. They're getting better with the shipping things, I think. Okay, now last I received Homfun, they were starting to put squishies in their kits, but apparently they stopped doing that. Or maybe it's just the bigger kits. I don't know. But anyway, we got a 3-placer, big piece of wax, cheap tweezers, baggies, white funnel. We know how that goes, right? And I'm just getting my trash out of the way here. And look at what I got. It's just a cute little, guess what? It's a cat. But isn't it cute though? This is another small one. I figured I could just sit there do, you know, without having to worry about it. And this little one, it is what, 25 by 25? This little one has 31 colors, guys. 31 colors. Crazy for a little one. But again, I say again, as I've been saying for the last few times that I've had these unboxings, I am going to do the inventory on camera. So you will be able to skip ahead if you don't like it, and I will put the number to skip to right over there. Okay, that's how an inventory should go. They're all here, all accounted for. I don't know if you saw some of these colors. Look at that beautiful blue. I just love it. So anyway, they are all accounted for. Let me get them back in the bag real quick, and then we will take a look at the canvas. This is probably going to be a short video. You know, there's only so much you can say. But Homefun, I tell you, I love Homefun, guys. If you've never ordered from Homefun, give them a try. But make sure it's the Homefun. I'm pretty sure the Homefun factory store is the one you want. That is the one. I'm pretty sure. I will double check. And if I'm wrong, I will correct myself on the video here. But if not, it is the Homefun factory store. That's the one that I've had the best paintings out of, and the shipping is still free. The other one I was ordering from, the shipping is no longer free, so I'm not paying that much for shipping if I don't have to. I don't mind paying for shipping sometimes, but I'm not paying no $10 for shipping. That's just ridiculous. Not for a $3 painting, you know what I mean? Okay, I know I have paid $10 for shipping, but those were not little paintings either. Anyway. get that out of the way. And then I will show you the canvas. Now, Homfun does come on a foam core. Okay. And these weird plastic rubber band thingies that I gotta keep away from my critters, because I'm so afraid they're gonna choke on them. And I'm gonna open this, and then we will look at symbols and test the stickiness and all that good stuff. I'm sure you guys just saw it, but I can't see it yet, so hold on. Okay. Now let's see what we have here. And again, I will bring you down to show you the symbols. Sure. Oh my God, that is so adorable. Isn't he cute? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down. Hold on. Oh my God, that's so cute. Whew, sorry, I had a tickle in my throat. That is so cute. Anyway, let's look at these symbols. Those are some beautiful crystal clear symbols. Crystal clear. Look at that. I really don't even need a light pad for this. I can sit here right here and do this without a light pad. And that's what I like. I like it when I don't need a light pad. I love my light pad, don't get me wrong. But if I can sit somewhere where I don't have to take a smaller one with me, you know, I mean, these are like perfect. You don't even need a light pad for this one. And that's most of the time what Homfun I get. I usually do get these from Homfun. I mean, the ones I get from Homefun Factory Store usually are crystal clear like that. But isn't that so cute? So anyway, another little short video for you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe. And remember to visit me on Instagram at Wishing Tales. You can see all my finished projects over there. And some of them I don't do videos for. Like this one, I might not do a time lapse. I might, I don't know. But some of them that I don't do time lapses for, I put over there on Instagram. So you guys take care. It is very sticky, by the way. So you guys take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.